Nice bounce. Selling two. Selling two more. Selling one more. Selling one more.
Order submitted.
Trailing. Trailing the last contract.
Order filled.
Only in with one long, up 80, up 25. Only one because this is pretty high risk. I think the ES wants to come down to the VWAP, but Nvidia is just pumping high.
Order
Adding one in with two contracts long, down 300, down 350.
Order
And with two more and with four contracts long. I don't like how NQ 30 minutes looking. I don't like how NQ 5 minutes looking.
Order filled.
And with six contracts.
Order filled.
And with eight contracts.
I am never going to financially recover from this.
Eight contracts long, down 1,800, down 2,000. Okay.
Order filled.
Taking two, taking one more. Deleverage three. Okay, it's flushing to that pivot point. May flush through the lows.
Order
Adding
filled.
two more. Nice bounce. Selling two. Selling two more. Selling one more. Selling one more.
Order submitted.
Trailing. Trailing the last contract. Up 2,200 in that account. Very nice.
Nice.
Very nice to start. Alright, we're trailing this all the way, hopefully, to the gap fill at 21,887. Trailing it up. Trailing it up. Right below this pivot point. May want to come down, bounce. Up 670, one contract, up 700. Moving stop a little bit. A little tight over stop. About to get stopped out. I want to see a quick pump. ES turning. ES pulling back. Very nice. Okay, moving stop up. Moving stop up. Giving it a little room. Giving it a little room, chat. Gap is at 21,000. Moving stop up. Little room.
Order filled.
And stopped. I appreciate you guys. Please smash the like button, follow, subscribe if you liked, if you enjoyed, if you gained any value, if you learned what to do, what not to do. Peace.